Question number 1 comes right out the gate with a trig function question because they want to scare and intimidate you. But here's the thing. It's really not that hard. So you're going to come up to the formulas tab, okay? And at the very bottom of your formula sheet, you have the trig ratios. Opposite over hypotenuse is our sine, which is what we were given. Adjacent over hypotenuse is our cosine. And we have tangent here, which we don't need for the purposes of this problem, okay? So we come back to the problem. We have cosine of k, and they're telling us we have a triangle, JKL. L is a 90-degree angle. So for the purposes of geometry in high school, if they're giving you sine, cosine, etc., then they're also going to give you a 90-degree angle. And we have JKL, L is 90 degrees. That means this is 90 degrees. Now, it is important to draw the triangle. It does not matter which is J and which is K. You're just going to pick one of the other two for each. The sine of J is 99 over 101. Okay, so our formula sheet said sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And a quick reminder of how to figure out which is which. Pretend you're sitting on the sine you're talking about, or you're standing, I should say. So here I am, la-di-da, and I'm standing on that angle, okay? As I stand there, my feet are going to touch the adjacent angle. The adjacent leg and the hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse, you can always draw a line here with your 90-degree angle, is what that points at. That's our hypotenuse. And the other one I'm standing on is the adjacent. That means the opposite is the one over here that I'm just looking at from across the triangle, okay? Now, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and they said sine is 99 over 101. So that means this is 99, and our hypotenuse is 101. They want to know what is cosine of k. That means we are going to walk over here. We're going to stand on this angle now instead. And I do a cool thing in my classroom where we actually have a triangle on the ground and like you come stand on it. We haven't gotten there this year, but it's a fun activity to do. So now we're looking at k. Well, again, I'm standing on the hypotenuse, which the 90-degree angle points at. So that's 101. And I'm standing on the adjacent. Well, they told us that's 99. What happens when you change angles is that you change which one you're standing on. So that flip-flops when we're looking at k, right? So k's adjacent is 99, and you have your answer. But wait, miss, how is it the same answer? Because it is. They wanted to trick you. They wanted to intimidate you. They wanted to confuse you. But I just explained it to you guys. It is the same answer, 99 over 101.